Welcome back, my peeps. Here we are back at Geek to DIY. I want to show you, I'm going to go over what I'm going to call my app drawer, what's in my app drawer. So I'm currently taking this video using my Pixel off and a video of a couple apps I want to show you on my LG G3. First, we're going to start off with dark skies. Everybody at one point wants to know something about the weather. So I found the dark sky being one of the more accurate and more easier apps to use. So simply starting the app. If you use your location, have it find your location, it'll tell you where you're at. This one in particular gives you the high and the low and the current right now and what's it like outside, mostly cloudy, mostly sunny, and the during the times what the temperatures will be. And using the app, you can slide up and see it, and I tell you, this is really pretty accurate. Right now it's 37 degrees and I'm recording this. At midnight it'll be 36 and overcast, and I kid you not, around the time that it says it's going to rain, it's pretty accurate. The closer it gets, the more accurate I have found it to be. So like for this day in particular, it's telling you that the temperature, the precipitation, and you can click on it and it'll change it as it's going around here. Okay, there goes your wind, humidity, and lastly the UV index. Okay. Now, if you don't want to just know something, you want to have a little forecast in the future, you can look at the week. So here we have the week, and you're showing you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the rest of the days of the week. Again, as it gets closer to that day, closer to that time, it gets more accurate. It gives you the highs and the lows. And I know we're in Monday, and you want to see what it's like here. Besides going back, you can simply click on that, and it'll give you that back again, because we're in week mode. If you touch Monday again, the day again, it shrinks it back down again. And you can do that for each day. If I want to check on Friday, here's what Friday is expected to be like. The weather's hard to predict, but this is pretty close. And like I said, as it gets closer, it gets better. Just simply touch the day and it'll go back again. So if you want to turn on the alerts, notice here some alerts are turned on and off, so I don't have it really set up for any of these alerts. This is a free app. There's also a paid version. You can get more things turned on. Next hour participation, persistent notifications and daily summaries and stuff. When do you want custom alerts? When do you want your summary for the day to get to you? I use the free app for this. I don't have any of these options on since it's a free app. But if you're willing to pay for it, which I think I will in the future, in the near future, you'll get those options. Lastly, again, was the report. Submit weather reports. You can submit and say what is happening. Pick options in here. Enlist your phone's pressure sensor to improve forecasts and send this stuff automatically and periodically. I know someone that does this and they haven't found any lag on their phone, anything dragging, and it helps with where they are for weather reports. I like this app. It's extremely accurate. Like I said, as it gets closer, it gets better and better and better to giving you what's going on. Right now it's 10 o'clock at night. This is now 68 degrees and it's saying it's a little drizzle. And I can almost guarantee I'll look out the window and there'll be a little bit of drizzle. The Dark Sky app can be pulled from both app stores, Google Play Store and iTunes. Very similar names, and you just have to search for it there. Dark Sky, outside of being an app, can also be accessed on the web through the browser on your phone, or through the browser on your desktop, or on another mobile device like a Chromebook or an iPad. I've made a shortcut here on my phone called Forecast Web. It points to forecast.io. Gives you very similar stuff that's given in a different format on your phone. So as you see here, it points to darksky.net. It shows my location, wind and everything. This is as is going on here. 38, mostly cloudy. Light rain starting tomorrow morning. Okay, and you can slide some on here. Again, the app is a lot more robust for moving things around. You got your radar, similar to what we had before. Light rain tomorrow. See this? Then you have what's going on for the day. Partly cloudy starting. See the grid, you can click for more details. So it's very similar to using the app, but it is not an app. You're pulling this stuff off the web. explore the weather in the past or the future. This is the time machine version of this. Now you can click this on the web. Pick another one. Gives you what it was before. Again, same information that we saw on the other one. Okay, just displayed a little differently. One was an app and one was from the web. Dark sky is very accurate. The closer it gets to the exact time that you are and you're displaying, the better it is. It's going to tell you whether it's raining, snowing, and you can look outside and say if it's going to be snowing in a few minutes or raining in a few minutes. Sure enough, chances are it will. Alright, again, this is a look at my app drawer, the Geek to DIY, looking at dark sky in Android. Again, you can find it for Android and Apple devices, okay, and on other machines that have a browser. Forecast Web, I call it, and you go to forecast.io. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Till all are one.